My name is Badini. I'm from CC Department in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about induction in AI. Learning from an example. Learning from examples through induction is a foundational method in artificial intelligence. We Inductive learning, also known as concept learning, which involves system learning, generate general rules or patterns from specific examples to make predictions or classify new and unseen instances. Inductive learning enables systems to generate patterns and relationships from specific examples, forming rules or models that apply new and unseen data. What is an induction? Induction is a reasoning process where a system derives general principles or rules from specific observations or instances. It involves moving from particular facts to broader generalizations, enabling predictive and decision making capabilities. Example Given the examples of labeled animals, for example, cat has fur, four legs, and meows, the system learns the general concept of cat and can identify the new cats. What are the process of inductive learning? For example, input examples are the system is provided a set of labeled examples, that is input output pairs. For example, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16. So where the input and output relationship represent the squaring. Then the hypothesis generation, which the system hypothesis a general rule or pattern that explains the examples. Evaluation hypothesis is tested against a separate set of examples to check its validity. Generalization, if the hypothesis performs well or the test data, it is considered a valid generalization for unseen examples. Key components were the training data. The quality and the representativeness of the examples are crucial for successful learning. Hypothesis based, where the set of all possible models or rules the system can infer. Then inductive biases, where the assumptions or constraints guiding the system to prefer and certain hypothesis over others, where the simplicity and the linearity will include. This is it for the video. If you like our channel, like and subscribe. Thank you.